Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Vlog of the Martin. Today we are in New Hampshire, and then we're gonna have a lot of fun with our friends who become a big family for us. Yeah!
We're now going through the entrance.
This farm is so big, like look at this place. There's even a whole restaurant, an ice cream place, a pumpkin patch.
There's peach and apples over here. Oh, wait, there's corn.
Wait, we get to pick our own pumpkin.
Alaya is having a lot of fun feeding the animals, as you guys can see.
There's a pizza. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
We haven't seen them from the yard. Now we are here.
It's so fast. This is what they eat. This is the bag that I'm gonna feed them now. Feeding the sheep was so fun. Now let's go to the next place, which is apple picking. This is a literal apple tree. Oh my god! Oh my! Ah! We did it! We did it! We got an apple! Wow, that's a big apple. As I started walking, I saw those portable bathrooms that they stink.
A pumpkin pie this year.
Yeah, that would be a great idea.
We all continued walking until we found something that's pretty vintage.
Now I'm gonna sit on the stack. Imagine if this works. Oh my god.
I think this is from 1960 something.
Put the gasoline in here. There's the battery. Put the water in the radiator there. This is the exhaust.
We also got an apple, guys.
Yeah, we got an apple. We don't need to pay anymore. Just go apple.
Where are we going, Alaya?
We are now going to the next location, which is the store/restaurant.
Alright guys, we are literally at a place where we can eat, and we're gonna see how this little thing inside. It's their transaction in, and now there's hair still going inside my face.
Tour time! As you can see, they sell a lot of apple cider. There is a supermarket for apple cider, place where you can sit, which is the waiting area. Fire! And too much apple cider, and that's the entrance.
See if I can zoom in closer. Where's the kite? Aw man, the kite left. The kite!
Bruh.
Meet right at this
No,
light.
it fell. Needs to use the portable bathrooms. Dun dun dun.
What's up, guys? Sorry that my hair's going in the way, but the thing is, someone had to use the portable bathroom. Why? Like, why? I just found a place in the grass to record the spot, so just gonna see you later.
I think it's time for us to eat, right?
Yeah, I think it just left from the portable bathroom. It's so bad. Like, literally. Like, everything is so bad about it. Like,
Now walking with the big crowd of people. Something that I really liked. Ice cream. We have a very long line.
the menu.
What the Sigma?
In the bins, there are water, some apple cider, and the two bins are the one drinks that I literally hate the most. Soda. Never liked it or will. Soda. I literally just left the line and I'm looking for the rest of the crew that are gonna be with me. With I just found. Yay! Okay, I asked one of the people if they needed anything, which they didn't. So I'm gonna go back inside.
But before I go inside, I'm gonna write a review about this place. So far, I like it.
Yeah, it's fun.
The only thing I don't like is the wind in my face.
No, that we cannot help. It's fall, right?
New Hampshire is colder than Boston. Colder. Band? Wait, there's a band?
Yeah, like that, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what I've heard so far, there's a band that's gonna happen.
Oh, you're on the phone. Sorry.
There's a literal ice cream place, which I really want to go to. And so far, everything has been a blast. So far, I'm giving it a whole entire big 5 stars. Now it's time to go back in the line. I really want some ice cream, but I'm going back to the line to decide what I'm going to get.
What am I gonna get? I might get a hamburger with some delicious ice cream. And yes, I am going to review the food. This line is huge. Bigger than any line I've seen in my entire life. It's officially time to order.
I got some chips aside of my order. Now let's see the customer service.
I would like a hamburger with no cheese but extra ketchup. Thank you.
Got a handful of ketchup. I like ketchup, but
I don't like mustard or relish.
I got my burger. We are officially outside with a burger. I'm calling it a Krabby Patty because why not?
Wow, Alaya. Woo, how was it? Do you like it?
So this girl now we're gonna have
Is
some
going to eat
ice.
some ice cream.
Actually walking with a pumpkin on our hands. Yay! Look at that field. The sky is so blue with the nice, good sun.
Look at that pumpkin. Let's see how much it weighs.
It's 22 pounds.
22 pounds. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
You don't hold the money with you.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. So,
What's your name?
my name is Lily.
Lily, how you doing today?
And Alaya is getting the pumpkins. This is a big and beautiful farm. And we're gonna get our pumpkin for Thanksgiving pie. You got it, Alaya. This is her carrying the pumpkins. We are here and almost
At the end of this video, there's gonna be something very cool that you're gonna wanna see.
oh my god.
We are officially going back home. Going back home. Bye-bye, farm. Finally going back home with no more wind blowing into the camera speaker. Finally. And no more wind blowing into my hair either. We are now gonna go back home. Did you have a great time?
I had a great time.
Qué bueno, new experience.
We had a blast.
Ooh, nice orange tree.
But this one's still green. Let's go home! You made it to the end of the video. Are you excited to see what's going on at the end? 3, 2, 1. Well, did you like the surprise? Sorry for the camera quality here. Make sure you drop a like in the video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications for more fun videos like this. Bye-bye! Bye. I'm still here. Bye-bye.